Colin finally got the rest of his tools. I like the color choice, babe.
Green.
Are you going to help? You are? Dad, no.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Anyways, now he's just putting everything together. Then put it away. Eat breakfast, and then probably start on some more of the project, huh?
Yep. I'm probably not even gonna put everything.
Good official morning, everyone. Today is Friday. The kids are home from school today.
Because it's the Airshow.
So basically, because we live on base and we have the air show going on this weekend, if you live on base, then you get an excused absence from school, because normally getting on base is a whole freaking, it's a whole mess. There's so much traffic Friday, Saturday, Sunday, mostly the weekend. What, baby? I see. That's cool. Mostly the weekend, but Friday is a nightmare also. And so if you, yeah, baby. If you live on base, your kids go to the school, then they get an excused absence from school that day. So the kids are home. I mean, I could take them because I could just sit in the traffic, but I'm not going to, because one, I gotta take the girls with me and they're extremely fussy and I'm just not doing it. And also I have a thing when it comes to public school that I don't mind public school. Obviously the boys have been in school since Cole was in kindergarten, so what, 4 years or something. But I don't know, I don't like school, and if I don't have to send them, I'm not going to, because I don't agree with having children sit in a classroom for 5 to 6 hours a day. That is a long freaking time for somebody to expect a child to sit there and like not move around, not talk, not like fidget or anything, just sit there and focus. Like, that's a long time for a kid. And I honestly 100% do not agree with it at all. But with the way our situation is right now, you know, I kind of have no other choice but to send them to school. I am looking into homeschooling though. I think that the kids would enjoy that a whole lot more. But yeah, for now, they're off of school today. They love it. we get to, like, since we live on base, we don't really have to go anywhere to see the air show. And it's super, super, super nice out today. I think it's only supposed to be 70, 71 today. So, but we're gonna take a walk down to the MCX. We need a few things. I just noticed, like literally just noticed, which is bad because I just went shopping yesterday. But look at Murphy's pants. These are Paisley's pants that I have on her, and they're too short. Thank goodness she has some high top shoes because it makes it look a teeny bit better, but they're supposed to be up here, right? But I have them pulled down a little bit. That way it covers like down here, but it still looks weird. But she literally does not have any pants. So we're gonna go to the store and look for some pants and a blender. Alright. I don't know if you can even hear me over Murphy's bike, but we're on our way to the MCX. We're gonna go look around. I need to look for a few things. Hey, Sissy. Water. Alright, I found these two, some gray ones and some black ones. But all their jeans, yeah, all their jeans are freaking expensive, and I'm not paying 40 bucks for them. So, no, this way. So I'll have to go to Walmart or something. But the other thing I wanted to look at was a blender, because I threw mine out because I don't know how to sharpen the blades. Okay, hold on. Alright, like always, we left with stuff we did not need. We got a new game, which I was gonna get a new game anyways. Paisley got candy and this little girl Stitch, I don't know her name. Murphy got her little mini Jack Skeleton. Every skeleton is Jack Skeleton, by the way. She got a candy, the boys got candy, but they got it with their own money. Look at her and her big girl bike. This one's just enjoying her candy. Candy! I can hear the planes already. I don't know if you guys can even see them. But you can hear them. You can hear them going. Oh, there's a plane way up there. I don't know if you guys can see that though. Yeah, the air show started. Can't even see you. You're a silhouette. Here we go, guys. He finished it.
Well, kinda. I still need to do the outer trim, but...
I like it though. I really like the colors I picked. Does it look good, babe?
No, it looks like shit.
I
honestly don't even want to stand in it because I don't know if it's going to hold.
Well, why would you stand in it? It's for plants, not for you.
I know, but the dude who I based this off of, 220 pounds, stood in it and didn't move.
Okay, let's see then. See? There you go. Like your surfing moves. Oh, it looks good. I really like it.
Alright, so you don't want an outer trim?
What do you mean outer trim?
Like...
So like this kind of, but like over here?
No, but it would cover the whole thing. It would have like a lip on it.
Alright, we're headed to Walmart now. The MCX had pants for Murphy, but they were anywhere between $20 to like $50 per pants.
Hello, I love you, baby.
Dang, that'd be a really crappy day to move.
The day of the air show?
Yeah.
Anyways,
Yeah, and it's cloudy as hell out.
No, babe.
I'm not about to pay that much because I need to get her a couple of pair, and I'm not spending over $100 just for a pair of jeans. Or like 2 pairs of jeans. Like that's ridiculous. Walmart has them pretty cheap, so we're headed to Walmart real fast. I know. I also said that we were not going to leave base the weekend of the air show, but yeah, here we are. But it's the morning time, hopefully. Well, it's not really morning, it's like 11 o'clock, and it's pretty overcast and cloudy, so hopefully it's not that bad getting back on base, but we'll see. Yeah? Let me see. She likes these ones with the bows. Here. Alright, let's see what else they got, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's look for...
There's a lot.
Let's look for Miss May's size. Alright, let's see. We should
Are those
have-
pants?
Yes, these are pants.
Oh, all of them
Oh, they
Yes,
got me.
baby.
are? All of them? Ooh, Mom, did she only get some of these?
No, she said she didn't like that one.
Oh, okay. What about these ones?
I like those, but she said she didn't.
What?
I know.
That's true.
He's gonna try and walk. Oh, they are a little big though. Alright, Cole and I got
you back.
Nah,
Got you back.
Cole and I got distracted. I found these for him, and then I found these for the girls. Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
For all the gamers out there, just 5 more minutes. What's this?
No, you ain't getting another one.
Getting Christmas ideas, and Dad found his Christmas present.
I don't want those.
You don't want that?
No. Where am I gonna put them?
I don't know. Why did you get your little, not even little, the,
Big dirt bike?
yeah, it just sits at the bottom of the thing.
Yeah, but that's like a collector.
Excuse me.
It's supposed to do this. Look, it's supposed to do this.
Yes, Cole.
Let me see, Harvey. Look at that. That thing is so cool.
I'm going to put it down. 3, 2, 1. Mickey Mouse.
Oh, man. That thing is really cool. Stitch?
What is this?
Yeah, like I said, we're getting Christmas ideas. Crazy likes the panda.
I have no clue what it is. A frog.
He said a slog.
No, I did not. I said a frog.
Slog.
Where's the frog? Frog. Oh, look. Frogs over here. Then over here we got lizards. Spiders.
Ooh.
Ooh, Mommy's favorite thing.
No.
No. Oh, it has.
It's like a,
Mom, look.
it's a seahorse zebra.
Mom,
It's
look
a
at it.
Sahibra.
So what?
A Sahibra.
I know, I see.
I know,
You
it's a
have.
microphone. Good job.
Are you singing?
Look at
That is so cute, baby. Murphy,
I see, Murph.
you have one in your dresser. We are not buying one.
on the white version. The white.
Paisley,
The white.
Paige, what are you singing?
Paisley's got a banana on her head.
Got a banana on her head.
Encore, encore.
Mom, look.
Put the look on her face, baby. the park in the neighborhood to watch the Blue Angels. And they're circling right over the house. Oh, did you guys hear that? The fake bombs going off. Listen here in a minute. You can grab it from your thing. Alright, look at that.
Oh my God!
Go play. Oh, I hear the Blue Angels starting up. There they go. Look.
No, they're going that way. No, they're going that way. Wait, are they going this way?
They're coming towards us.
Yeah! Gonna make it a comeback!
It's a Halligan and a flathead axe. They're called irons when they're together.
It's a show car. I think it's dope though. You'll hardly ever see those.
Well, you guys can sit in the seats as well.
Yeah.
Get it? Oh, it's a cool sticker. It's a helicopter.
Harvey, go look. Look at that, girls. Whoa.
Oh!
One. There you go. Two. There you go. Three. That's all you. Four.
Whoa.
You can still come up. That's it. We're good.
5 push-ups, go.
Help up there. Guys, get him up. Go.
1, 2. Harvey, I'm kidding. Get up there.
There you go. Sweet. One more time.
Whoa, you too, sissy.
There you go. You want to go inside? Got the whole team in here. Want to get the seat?
Whoa, look at you guys.
If you want to come up, you can.
Nah, I'm good, man.
Okay.
Get on up there, Dad.
Your shoes outside.
It's okay. We'll
Yeah.
retie it.
Want to drive? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that. Got the messy shirt on. I'm going to have to get your wrinkly uniform now after this.
Alright, go ahead, guys. Good job. Hazy, watch. Oh my goodness.
Mom,
Alright, you're doing a snack break. Good morning. Good morning. This is day 3 of the air show. We are on our way. Come on. I think this is the first year that we've actually gone multiple days.
8 o'clock.
It's not even 8 o'clock yet.
Yeah, it's not even 8 o'clock yet. Look, we want
Love
to
you.
get there at 8 o'clock. That's when it first starts.
Yes.
And
The
we
boys
can-
want to do like a VR type thing.
I think it's
and-
like a VR, like
One of them is you're on the ship. Hey, get out of the road. Dad's coming. Go. One of them is you're on the ship and you have to like launch out the jets and stuff, which is pretty cool. You get to be a yellow shirt. Go! Paisley, come on! Paisley! Say bye, Dad. Anyways, one of the VRs is you get to be a yellow shirt and do stuff with the jets. The other VR, I'm not sure what it was because I didn't really like take that good of a look at it. But the line for it yesterday wasn't too bad whenever we were there. But after we went back over there, it was pretty long. So I told the boys we could try this morning.
Yeah, because not many. There'll be like maybe 3 families, like when it first really starts.
And Cole and Harvey, but then Harvey chickened out, which is okay. But they want to do like a mini boot camp, so they have like drill instructor, like real drill instructors there.
I don't want to do it anymore.
What? That's okay. Yeah, that's fine. You do a thumbs up?
Give them thumbs up.
Good job.
You got it now.
We're going. The trolley's moving. The trolley's moving, and we're going to the air show.
That was lovely.
Mom.
Look at all of them are like, oh fuck.
No, what was that?
I don't
He
know.
ran over something.
It sounds like he ran over a balloon or something.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it was a tire.
Alright, air show day 2.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Everything's not even open yet.
M2A1 50 cal. So if you sit down,
That's how you
put your feet right up on this traversing slide bar here. Underhand grab here and then one hand over. Let's see if we can pull it. So one hand under and then one hand over. Try to pull it back. So you can do it. Come on. Put your feet up tight here and try to push. Joel's got it. All right, you want to help me do it?
No, I want to do it.
Joel's got it.
Oh, okay.
So when this one's all hot,
Yeah, we did that one yesterday. Harvey, let go.
Oh yeah, come on.
Good job, Basie.
every single time, dude.
There you go. Good job.
You just have fun with it.
All right, cool. You're gonna do the right one.
Oh, let me get out of it.
I just broke the lock.
Whoa, keep going, keep going.
Lock. No, what did this do?
All right.
Oh, okay, I see what it does.
Go to the buoy.
Good job.
Trying to. No, don't go that way. It's a lock tail.
The stunt bikes are about to start.
You literally hear that.
No, that's the airplanes, dude.
That's the airplane.
Colin's right here somewhere, so we're gonna watch this again and then continue on with the show.
I bet changing these tires sucks though.
Probably.
I don't want it.
Hey, over here.
I think we should go up there.
Over here. Yes, Murph.
Colin said you store broken jets in here.
Broken down jets. Jets, yes.
Yeah, broken down jets and like planes, and they put.
Yeah.
Look, baby.
Oh shit, look.
Why did the same plane make different colors?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, and I think the person died.
Yeah. So this is probably like the day 250 bucks for whatever.
This is my heritage.
¿Para qué, papi? Why?
Oh, look at that one, Mom. Wow.
BMW doesn't make a supercar.
That Lambo don't go like this.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.